So today I thought I'd do a quick video here. I'm going to be replacing the stock seat on my Harley Iron 883. The seat I bought is a Pera Daytona Sport. I'm 6 feet tall. I was hoping to get something that would scoot me back a little bit over the stock seat. So let's check this sucker out. Okay, taking the stock seat off is just this one screw here, so let's undo this one. There's going to be like a little hook thing under the seat, so you've got to push the seat forward. And then lift up. This little hook part here goes underneath here. Okay, so I just checked out these bolts and it looks like it's 5/32. That'll work. So it looks like we have to install it angled this way, because if we do it this way it doesn't quite work, so that looks good there. Just snugging these down. I'm not torquing these too much. Not sure what this is for, but I think this is a spacer for the fender. Okay, so since the replacement seat is longer than the stock seat, I will not be using this connector. So it shouldn't fall off if I just leave it like that. So this little washer here, I'm assuming, goes between the seat and the fender here, so it doesn't scratch it up or anything. So let's try it out. There it goes. Yeah, I just did a quick ride on this Pera seat, and so far I'm liking it a lot. Personally, I think this looks a lot better than the stock seat. You know what? It's a firm seat, but it absorbs the impact from the bumps a lot better than the stock Harley seat. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click the like button. Until next time. You guys stay safe out there.